action. We're back in the action, boys. Boys, we're back. Holy hell, it's been like freaking way too long. Now, this is the longest I've ever gone without filming a video. Please hit the thumbs up and comment for this one, bro. I'm so stoked. My computer, man, it just like crapped out one day. Would not work anymore. Took it to the shop. In hindsight, I should have just bought a cheap computer so I could do videos, but I didn't know it'd take that long. However, we're doing those little YouTube shorts on the side because I could do that on my phone. Anyway, boys, full video. Let's go. We're just gonna get right into it. And this one, bro, I've been so stoked for because the package right here has been sitting on my counter for like a week and a half, and I haven't been able to open it, and I'm stoked for what's inside. Now we can do it. Alright, boys, holy hell, this is so weird, man. Like, my life is filming, you know what I mean? Well, my life is other things, but like filming, I have a hole when I don't do it. So this one comes to us from Icegiant, boys. They hit me up, right? They're like, Brand, we got a jewelry box for you. You want to review it? I said, absolutely, send now. Don't take too long. In hindsight, I shouldn't have said that, because now I'm the one making them wait. Anyway, this comes at a perfect time, boys, because I've actually been looking for a new jewelry box. Here's the old one. It's a piece of shit. I got it off Amazon. There's broken glass in there. There's a little chunk of gold, actually. We got that from Icebox. It was a bracelet. Cheapest jewelry on Icebox, I'm pretty sure it was. We snapped it. I didn't like it. Anyway, have to replace this with what's inside with this. While we're at it, I may as well show in this video, not my address. I ain't trying to get dilds in the mail no more, boys. I may as well show my jewelry collection, what I have now, right? As we load up this new box. So without further ado, Icegiant, thank you. Not yet, actually. We haven't seen the product, but I think it'll probably be chill because this thing looks insane. Let's go. Woohoo! This is how my diamond testers break. They work for great knives once or twice until you snap them. Now, the reason I love this one, bro, and I'm not gonna lie, I peeked at their website. I actually saw a couple videos of this dang thing. It looks sick. I don't want to have to compare them before I haven't seen it yet, but if you're basing it off, you know, we're just gonna get into it. No, I'm gonna say it. If you're basing the looks of this one off of what other jewelry websites sell, this is the bang for the buck, and you're getting what looks to be just as quality of a product. Okay, here we go. Boy, sorry. I don't even know, bro. I can't even remember how to film right now. Freaking hopped up off coffee. Icegiant, bro. We got the bag. We got a card. Oh, sick! Please enjoy 30% off your next order at Icegiant. So, let's see if this beats my freaking $40 Amazon one, huh? Dang it, they packaged it real nice. They packaged it almost annoying. You know, I've already got a complaint. How dare you keep my shit safe? Here she is. See, this is something sick, man. This is like when I'm going traveling, I'll probably just carry it in my hand. You know, I want people to see it. Sweet. So here we go, boys. The classic blue. I love it. You know what I actually love about this? First off, no branding. I'm a massive fan of like minimal branding. I don't need Icegiant all over my stuff. Love you guys, but I don't need it. Quality's dope. I just want to open this thing up, man. The gold zippers right here, going with whatever the hell you got in it. Fake gold, gold plated. I'm just kidding. All right, boys, let's go. Icegiant review. Holy hell. Okay, so there's the branding. I'm fine with that. That's sick. The outside we didn't, oh my god, boys. So, I never really reviewed one of these before. We got one of these things, keep the moths out, I'm pretty sure. Silica gel, you love it. This is beautiful. First off, the felt here are remarkable. I love it. You got the ring space right here. Yeah, you can take all this out too. Literally put whatever the hell you want in it, boys. Some chains right there. We got the watch area right here, which I love. It looks super sick when you just got watches. The ring area here, oh my god, bro. Take those out. You got a little more space for chains. Oh, this is sick. You got the hooks too, so you can hook on. Dang! This is so much better than my old one. My old one, I started ripping it apart. It's made of cardboard. It was weird. Got that, if I remember correct. You got another space and a little Icegiant insignia in there too for all your jewelry. This is unreal. This is unreal. Let's just say, no shots. Aren't you paying like a grand or something for ice boxes? I'm just saying. You know what I mean? You get a bang for your buck. I'm not gonna spend too much on a jewelry case when I want to spend more on my jewelry in it. Or maybe I'm just broke and I shouldn't be buying either of them. So this little box right here, boys, with all the pieces attached, it's on sale now. You know, it's on sale right now, link down below. Dude, let's load it up now. I'll show you what jewelry collection I have and we'll put it in it. I actually don't have too much jewelry anymore. I'm gonna put it like that. I've got a problem with just giving a lot of things away. It drives my girl crazy. I don't know, it's like you guys see I give a lot away on videos, or if a boy comes over, one of my boys or whatever says, yo, this is sick, and I don't wear it anymore, I'm like, here you go. So what we got, boys, the classics. You guys always see me with the star ring. This one right here, the NameBran, all genuine diamonds, genuine gold. The way you just plop it in, boys. Look at that. I need more rings now. I wish I didn't give everything away. I want to load this up. I mean, you guys know I had this one. This is the full jewelry collection. This is sad. I'm looking at not much here. This is the diamond Gucci watch. I think I spent like $5,500 on. I smashed it. Can't remember why. It was for a video. Might have just been shock factor. I might get it replaced at one point. Throw that on. It'd look better with a better watch. One that's not broken. Actually, we got this watch. This one's not real, but we may as well throw it in. This is not part of the jewelry collection, boys. I'm now just trying to load up this dang case, man, because it just looks so sick when things are in it. Dude, look at that, man. I'm just gonna take that out. That doesn't do anything justice, but look at that. Another going with the this is I have this now, boys. Put that in, and then this, which is broken. It's a white gold chain and a classic NameBran one. Boys, I've gotten rid of freaking everything else. There might be some regrets there, but not too many. So that's the jewelry collection update. Maybe we should start like getting some more jewelry. Okay, I thought I lost this, bro. Here's another ring that we can add into it. I forgot this even had a bottom. This is sick. We've got pieces of gold in here. Not really jewelry collection. Now I've got a bunch of just like fake jewelry, you know, whatever, that I'm just gonna put in this too to make it look dope. That's exactly what the plan is. I'm gonna come back to you in a second and show you guys what it looks like pretty loaded up. And here she is, boys. Somewhat loaded up. This thing looks so sick. You know, maybe I should have hung those ones at the bottom. Super dope, though. This really has me just wanted to get more jewelry, man. You take these out just like that, and we've got more chains down here, man. They kind of hang. I could probably hang them better. I think I probably put bracelets on this one because it can hang a little different, and then probably keep the chains like this for the bottom, man. We got this big 6'9" one I spent way too much money on because I thought it was hilarious and we made our money back with videos, so that was dope. Drip Talk, I think, sent this. Shout out to him. Boys, there's just so much space. You can see it. I could add so much more in this. I'm not even trying to sell you on this, man. I'm just that stoked about it. The little pull tabs right here to bring it all up easily. Now, the one test I actually haven't tested yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. Let's just put it all in like that. Got tons of jewelry in here. She still closes up. Completely fine. Holy hell. I'm stoked about this. I'm so stoked. Carry it around like that. There's no jingling because everything's in place. Icegiant. Like I say, link is down below. And go grab one if you guys want, man. Icegiant, we really appreciate this, definitely. Just so cool. So cool. Thank you guys for watching. New video back. This is crazy. I'm gonna be filming a lot more. I've got that like drive because I haven't been filming much, so I'm like, let's start killing it again, you know. Appreciate you guys for watching. Icegiant, once again, link is down below. Sick case all around. I like it a lot, man. I like it a lot. Bye.